everyone, welcome back to my channel, Meks Journey here, PlannergirlMek on Instagram. I first want to say hello and welcome to all of my new followers, and hey girl, hey to my followers from the get-go. As they said back in the day, I am aging myself right now with that phrase, but anywho, as you can see, I have already put down those glitter headers, and I also went ahead and did my digital washi banner, and right now I am putting together my sidebar. I really love the sidebar, y'all. She is giving me all kinds of let's get to work fierce face. She is in formation. Beyonce would be proud. But yes, I'm loving her outfit. She's wearing like a black skirt and a little tan type jacket to go over her little white shirt. Yes, honey, she is serving face. You know what I'm saying? But yes, so I am doing that, and then instead of using the glitter headers for the little border that I usually put in between when I do my sidebar, I went ahead and used one of those decorative half boxes and use that there. And right now I am getting my date covers together. I really liked these date covers. They really matched the bottom washi, and it kind of brought the kit all together. Um, it just really made it flow. It gives me like a, not a black and white type, or yeah, kind of black. It was like a black, white, and tan vibe type kit, and I really enjoy this. I wanted to do something like this in my kit for a while, so when I saw the Stay Classy kit, I was like, oh, I want to use that for the inauguration week, and then I'm gonna pull an image of President Biden and MVP, Madam VP, Madam Vice President Miss Kamala Harris. So I grabbed two pictures of them from Google. One of the many other things that is a huge blessing about using digitals is you can use images from Google, but I do not own the rights to these pictures. I use them on Google and they are for personal use only. Just have to put that little disclaimer in there because I'm not trying to have nobody come for me, you know what I'm saying? But yes, so I am perfecting my date covers because yes, I print my template out, but I do use it in my digital planner just so I can keep track of what I'm doing. If I need to see, like, Meek, what did you write down for that week? I can grab my phone and actually look at it there. It's really cool. Um, I use Google Notes, not Google Notes, Goodnotes. Lord, Google. I use Goodnotes for my digital, and I have the app on my laptop. I have it on my iPad and my cell phone, so I can use it multiple ways that way. But anywho, I am using this bouquet of flowers. I can't remember what this type of flowers, but I know this one lasts for like a year. The flowers never die, but they cost so much money. Oh my goodness. So I live vicariously with getting these through pictures, because if I told my husband, babe, I really want those, he would get it for me. But I'm like, do you know what I could get with just, I mean, I'm that frugal, y'all. I'd be like, but I can get like a year's worth of stickers. I could get like 3 planners. I could, you know what I'm saying? I could go on a shopping spree at Hobby Lobby and Michael's. Um, yeah, I don't need those. My brain just thinks I could do this, and that. I always be trying to save money. I do. That's why he just don't tell me when he buy me stuff, because I'll be like, look, instead of doing that, I be trying to talk him out of getting me presents. But anywho, I am rambling on. Right now, well, I just laid down the double box with the little couch. I love that little setup. I kind of want to revamp my she cave area, she cave planner corner office type thing. And I kind of want something like this. I want to have like a little lounge area, a place to chill, just and it's just mine. So that gives me all types of motivation right there. And I laid down President Biden and Madam Vice President Kamala Harris, and I am trying to figure out where I want to lay down any extra boxes. I think that's all the boxes that I use if I'm looking down at my planner right now. Yeah, that's all the boxes that I use. So I am pretty much trying to perfect how they look and the flow of them. I always zoom out and then zoom back in. And then right now I am adding the my PR friend, girlfriend, squad buddy just told me what they are called. They are called scallop half circles. Can we get a round of applause because Planner Girl Meek finally knows what those are called? Thank you. Thank you, Tracy, for telling me what, not Tracy, Trisha? Girl, I don't want to say your name wrong. Trisha. It's Trisha. Your name's going to be Trisha today. I'm sorry. But the scalloped half circles, yes, finally know what those are called. I absolutely love those, and adding those in, they work really, really well for digital and for the printed version too. But if I wanted to, I could cover them with a mandala. It's the same exact size, so it's really, really cool. But I don't think I covered any in this week's spread. But right now, what am I doing? What's my motivation? See, I slowed things down and it's like throwing me off. I think I'm getting my deco. Y'all, if y'all don't get me straight, I'm getting my deco together. I have already pre-put together my planning time, clean house, Facebook post, laundry. I think I have an Amazon, a date night. Right now I'm putting my Shakeology tracker together. I'm really all about, getting my health together. I actually turned down Girl Scout cookies just yesterday. My sister texted and she was like, "Do y'all want to put in an order?" I was like, I'm gonna pass this time. Oh, y'all, that was so hard. I'm so proud of me because listen, I don't think there's ever been a year where I didn't have Girl Scout cookies, like the lemonade ones and the Thin Mints, baby girl. I am here for it, but I am focused on a healthy version of Mika. I need to get back into my health zone, so I turned down those, and I did put in another order for a bag of Shakeology that will take the place of what I spend for Girl Scout cookies. Well, and then some. It costs a little bit more, but it's worth it. It's so worth it to put my health first. And yes, so I just laid down my date night sticker. My husband and I watched a movie. I think I was actually watching a movie while I was doing this plan with me. We were watching. Was this the week where we watched that Denzel movie, The Little Things? Girl, I think this was the week we watched that movie. Let me tell you something. I was not here for that movie. Y'all don't come for me if you liked it, but I like a movie that has an ending that is like, oh, okay, so that's what had happened. In the Little Things movie with Denzel Washington and the rest of them Academy Award winners, girl, there was no ending. You don't know what happened. You don't know who really did it. I just know they wasted my time. My husband and I were like, that can't be it. Like, is there an end credit scene? I'm like, boo, this ain't a Marvel movie. This is a Denzel movie. And there's just no ending. So we went online to see if it was just us. We can't be the only ones that are like, that's not it, right? Like, there's more to the story. Is there going to be a part two? And everyone was like, what happened in this movie? I'm trying to say this without telling you guys what the plot and because girl, I don't even know what the plot of the movie was because it just didn't make no sense. But yeah, so after we watched that, we watched a Marvel movie. We watched two Marvel movies after we watched The Little Things because we were like, we need something to make up for the fact that movie was not it for us. We didn't enjoy it. If you enjoyed it, hey, more power to you, but it was not my cup of tea. I would not recommend that. Sorry, Denzel, it was not one of your best. But anywho, I am placing down my Facebook and Instagram and laundry time and all that good stuff. And this video is about to come to an end. Oh my goodness, I always get a little emotional when I'm about to end a video because I absolutely love talking to y'all. I'm about to actually do another voiceover for a different type of video. So I'll be talking to y'all in a second, but y'all just gonna see it probably a couple of days later. Anywho's, thank you guys so much for watching this video, for taking the time to click on this channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know that you were here. It truly, you have no idea how much you just liking and subscribing to my channel truly helps me out, helps me to keep coming back and filming these videos, giving you all types of motivation and planning life. But as always, this kit is still in shop. Use my code PlannergirlMek35 to save 35% on your kit at ThePlannerShack. And I will see you guys in the next one. Have a beautiful, blessed day, and I will holler at you guys later. Bye, guys.